Yeah. Pills. The GG. Charles Media. Spectre.
Charles Media.
Nimakumbuka mwezi grade 2 ushuza bwelela ndawa life kulibeva mapatu ushena desi za chifukwa cha mipondo ndiwo weka umani movinga ngati pontoon makushe ndiba poso mfane kupiba na manje subelieve nsano ufuna kuziba should I cry leave or don't deliver vushite manje hapa next scene ziba hey friend saying that should get over you but it's ziba girl I'm mad over you hey ndiwo when come make my life better ndiwo lwela these others are bitter. You got me calling up all night. Living this life without you ain't nicer. You should know I'm missing, but now you the only one I'm laughing. Good day, how you doing? Good day. Ningambele pwino when I in a tapwezan. Ningambele pwino when I in a tapwezan. How you doing? Good day. How you doing? Good day. Ningambele pwino when I in a tapwezan. Ningambele pwino when I in a tapwezan.
Nimakumbuka 2012 when I met you. Sindine neka black dot Gary can relate to. I was young that time, I was scared to approach it that close. Disclose my feelings about you. Bad, luckily 2K15. We met again, Kawe Camp. Yeah, it was a thing. Got your line on a Sunday. Sunday text Monday, replied on a Tuesday. Got along April month and May 7 things changed. You lying in my bed, first person I perceive every day that I wake around my knees every second. Miss all the time, check on you, don't check on me. Yeah, it's alright, girl, I move on and leave on, forget about you. Erase all the memories I had about you. It's kinda war that the chain, no offense, no revenge. But everybody telling me I gotta get revenge.
Are you feeling good, babe? Are you doing good, babe? Ningambele pwino when I in a tapwezan. Ningambele pwino when I in a tapwezan. Are you doing good, babe? Are you doing good, babe? Ningambele pwino when I in a tapwezan. Ningambele pwino when I in a tapwezan.
Yeah. We had it but we lost, the memories forgot. Are you happy, is it well? Are you sure it won't fair? Wish you were when you done. Had all them niggas happy seeing green flags. Women from the side, not lagging, yeah.
From my side I'm no fine. From my side I'm no fine, yeah. I really want the sweet times.
From the bottom to the top to the bottom, out of cool. I forgot it in the middle of my thoughts. Taken from my safety, that picture still there. Close my eyes in my mind, but that picture still there. Lie, we broke up. Do you believe that is it separating? Is you kidding like my nigga feeling sick?
But now, are you feeling good, babe? Are you doing good, babe? Ningambele pwino when I in a tapwezan. Ningambele pwino when I in a tapwezan. Are you doing good, babe? Are you doing good, babe? Ningambele pwino when I in a tapwezan. Ningambele pwino when I in a tapwezan. Are you feeling good, babe? Are you doing good, babe? Ningambele pwino when I in a tapwezan. Ningambele pwino when I in a tapwezan. Are you doing good,
Charles Media.
babe? Are you doing good, babe? Ningambele pwino when I in a tapwezan. Ningambele pwino when I in a tapwezan.
I got scars on my mind, scars on my heart, scars on my soul, scariest emotion. Broken heart, broken life, broken body, broken vision, blurred vision. I never share, word thoughts, I never need to exceed. Pains what I feed is hard, believe me you cannot relate the path I go through. Try to please them every time I get school, but I play it too cool. Ever balance in the mood when they're happy and I'm hurting and they chew like a fool. I fantasize about me love too. The effort and the time that flows around you. Negative energy like failure is a destiny. The people that love you are the ones that are drugging you. You are the palm but behind them be stabbing you. This is the reality of the life that I'm living. Respect. Yeah. The hope gone. The love gone. The faith broken. You helpless. You need help. Every single try be nice, get hurt. Fucks of life that are inflicting the pain. Care too much, but I never get back the time and attention that we deserve. People gon' curb them straight, they ain't loyal. Wanna bring them close and pretend and ignore you. Try to put things, get hurt, that's normal. Death isn't life, will give up, go solo. Fuck your hurt, see all alone with the soul, with them evil plans in your mind taking over. Ask yourself when the whole thing gon' end. Dang. I'm trying so hard just to fucking blend in, but it hurts that rejects that to get you regret. Ever loving anybody, got the effort it'll put it, never brings back. And just talk. And it relate though. You give a fuck. Do you care though? Stressing. Depressing. Yeah. Self-esteem low.
Mass on the track.
You're dying inside. And you get no one to talk to.
Charles Media.
But you ain't alone though. Hey to hope. Peace. Yeah. I ever thought about having a huge impact to inspire and motivate people doing something different with what you possess apparently. And the person has got something peculiar about them that makes them different from 7 billion people in this world. We need to use that in us to inspire everybody, that element. Hey, God, anyway. Let me tell you a story about myself. From Southern Africa, Zambia to be specific. Tonga, my tribe.
I'm a black folk, I'm proud of myself. From Africa, Zambia, the ghetto reward. The Tonga, the Bemba, the singer, and moon. My couch, everything, giving y'all we rock. Give a life purpose. Use thing you possess. The do's, the don'ts, the right, the wrong, the choice you make. When it all involves your spouse, your love, your family involved. You find when problems are soft, how we react to problems are born. Is it an air or is it a point your value and worth? Then you change shit. Society, people to blend in, to make dream leave to reality. All the drawbacks to a fantasy, to enhance all your mighty life. Why we live and breathe for a good cause or a bad cause? Cause nobody's gonna live eternally. Reality and death is a mystery, become history when you're gone. A lot of people go mourn, either on pretense, some not, some really hurt, some not, nigga. Leave now, leave a trail. A story people gon' tell. You was ahead, you wasn't the tell. Going to heaven, you're going to hell. To be locked in a cell that you can't bail out. Tell a little demon get out. Stamp on my fear like straight up. I hope the next time I ain't coming down.
So just a time when you overcome all your fears and don't let anything drag you back to do what you really want to do. Don't matter. Just stand. Okay.
Don't matter your color, don't matter your black, don't matter your white, don't matter your short, don't matter your tall, don't matter your fat, don't matter your thin, don't matter your big, don't matter your small, don't matter your rich, don't matter your poor, don't matter your old, don't matter your young, don't matter your race. But I rearrange like realize, get an impact that you gotta strike. A blank space you gotta fill, a legacy you gotta leave, a map that you gotta print. From now on to your death, you got a voice, we ain't deaf. Right now, nigga, take a stand.
Yeah. So, that's up to you. You gotta rise up and do something. Deviating from the norm, doing something unique and helpful. Peace. Spectre. Scar.
Mass on the track.
Charles Media.
Jacob on the beat, yup.
November, December, though you can remember. To do the scars, you always remember. To tell me the lies again and again, so I had to comply the damage again. Remember that smoke was higher than flames, so don't ever choke inside of your brain. So don't ever break or damage the code, or else your hard work will just be in vain. I'm putting the X inside of a clock. High time, better pull up a sock. With my 10, I'ma bring up a smoke. Just hope you don't choke by the stench of a sock. The sword is so flat, you can pull up the age. No matter the size, no matter the age. I'm flipping the page, I put in the rage. Fresher than the nigga guidance page. Hit her reveal, she riding my wave. Why the fuck would she go stand in my way? She called me to play, I told her to wait. She told me to hurry, she cooked me a plate.
From the bottom, hoping to be out of time. Niggas ain't in the pain for me to draw me the fingers to the head and never stop. Man, I do it a deal with no support. Those fucking the love, but I fucking know. Man, I'm Zambian, I'm Tonga, you better know. Rappers running the bars, I'm dropping dogs for the energy. Music, everything is my remedy. And the recon, giving the ball like King Kong. I'm a king nigga from the south side. I rap up to a rapper walk down. Yeah, bro, who did in the back now. Nigga out my second power down. I'm a fucking guy, you can fight now. Who next nigga on the line up? Throw me the boss like I'm I'm am now. Raise a hand, niggas stand down. Look up to me, cause I'm up now. Spot the kids in the grind hard.
Feel my mind, I know my goals are never round. When I touch it, don't go. Don't need me no double, no double. My name, I just know about pain, the struggle, the shame. When you walk around feeling like you in chains, like everything around you is never gonna change. I saw me damn, and shit gonna melt. It's never harder than the shit in my veins.
Stand from the bottom, now we here. Spin the bars, I listening. Spin them bars like I'm building a jail cell. And if I'm going to hell, no, I say no to the devil. My soul's stronger than the metal. I'm never on my knees, I'm never gonna kneel unless I fuck a peace talking. Hopped in a rocket, you can't stop. Sky is the limit, or settle space. Watch the nigga becoming the great. The rest of you, mazala. Bana basaza, rap game dimenkaga. Gumbogo twego nyiga balihi bonse agumusaza. Hi yawe mpanaba, utaka hi yawe kalawa. Deni mamungu pamoja jobo boja na bonse amagwaza kala pocket. Utalibi to your word. Deni mwe mugu ni mupate sini. Hele muntu awandi mutini. Muntu male boja languzi. Tawabele ginovana si. One in the gas whenever the syllable AT when I'm off. Pakondolo leche pansi na paro ya blackie. Mwintumba nimba na gasi. Ula nije ina ni gasi. Rain so become a gas. Suit na tie ya black, looking so fresh, looking so smart. Hey, apana pala bandani, mama chiki ni pegani. Ngongole malume bezani, mzaze bana life ni tani. Nisani kanile kanyani.
Better thicker than water, not thicker than juice. The blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice.